Hello and welcome back. In this video we will see how to make another simple part, but here in this you will be learning a new tool to make this sloped part. First we will draw the dimensions according to this outer profile, and then we will extrude it at distance of 40 mm, and then we will use the loft tool to make this. Okay, first we'll go to sketch and I'm going to choose the front plane. First roughly I'm going to draw, and then later I'm going to add all the dimensions, or you can do by adding each and every dimensions. 50, 33. This one is 50. 50, 33, and this is 12, and this one is also 12, and this height is 18. 12, this one is also 12, and this one is 18. And now it is fully defined. The sketch here it shows, that means all the dimensions are given. We'll exit from the sketch, go to features, and then we will use extrude, and I'm going to choose symmetrically 40 mm. Yeah, 40 mm, and then we'll click on OK. And now I'll choose this plane and create a new sketch. I'll draw simply a point, and I'm going to add the dimension from this to this. It is 6 mm, so 6, and I'll exit from the sketch. Now I'll choose this plane and add sketch. I'm going to add a point. It coincides, but still it shows it is fully defined. And now we'll use the option called lofted cut. I'm going to select this, and it asks whether it is a open or a closed. Since it is an open loop, select open and then close, and by default the point is selected. If the point is not selected, just go and select the point, and now you can have a preview, and then we'll click on OK. And here it asks for the bodies to keep. Which are the bodies to keep? And here there is an option called all bodies. No, we don't want all the bodies. We will select the bodies. If you select the body one is highlighted. We need body one. So if body 2 is selected, it shows this body. So we need body 1, we don't need body 2. So we'll select body 1 and click OK. Now we can see. Now we'll change back to isometric view, and now you can have that part. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and comment below for any suggestions.